Hey guys, welcome to Rockin' the Heat. Alright, that was a little bit of Trust by Megadeth. That took me a number of tries. I don't know why, but I gotta stop trying to learn songs right before I shoot the video. Well, I'm not sure what I'm expecting, but yeah, it's not turning out too well. Alright, got a snack today. Got the Pringles Scorchin barbecue. I'm just gonna get right into it because I'm snacky after all, after the last 45 minutes of playing guitar. Once it just kind of weirdly dusted. They just smell like a barbecue chip. It's almost like it wants to tingle, but it's not gonna. Okay, I'm not gonna bother reading the ingredients. They're chips. I got a bunch of crud in them. But yeah, they taste pretty good actually. How many do you think I can fit in my mouth at once? There's 8. Why not? Okay, yeah, those are pretty tasty. Glad I bought them actually. They were on sale. Picked them up. Don't expect them to be hot. Well, that's about all I have to say about those chips. They're good, not hot, but they're good. You know what I mean? You're probably wondering why I'm wearing my Kapsaicin shirt. Later today, I'm meeting up with Stephen Poley at a local restaurant. We're gonna do the Wings of Regret. So, I'm hoping I can film. Not sure, but I'm hoping. So, crossing my fingers. If anything, I'll just prop it up right on the table, facing me, right in front of me. It'll be close up, but, you know, it is what it is. In a restaurant. Might be kind of loud. So, yeah. But, thought it'd be neat to bring you guys along for the journey. So, anyways, so that's my quick snack time. My wife just got home, so I'm gonna cut this one short, head upstairs, and hang out before we head out. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Rock on.